All right, so what I want to do is take a second and show you how I shape knife handles. This is about a 7-inch fighter that I've glued up, and as you can see, I've laid out some lines on the back, and it is nastily crooked. So that is a testament to a cheap Harbor Freight drill press that's not completely squared up. So what I did was I used a flat surface, got my lines squared, and now I have an inch of material on either side. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through the process of me shaping this and getting it to a usable handle. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and flatten the edges out and get our block nice and square, and then we'll start going through and figuring out how we actually want to shape the handle. Alright, now that everything's good and flat and square, what we're going to do before we take this top part down and start shaping this is I'm going to go and take a pencil and start laying out kind of a rough handle design, and then we'll go from there. All right, we got a rough handle shape kind of marked out on there, and what we'll do is we'll cut the excess off on the bandsaw and drill our little pinhole there, and then go through and start rough shaping the outline of the handle. Okay, now we got the handle to its squarish shape. Needs to be cleaned up quite a bit down here, but the top is square, the back is square. Our pin is drilled. It's going to be 1/8 inch brass pin, and I'll glue that up once I get the handle to a almost finished state, and then we can finish the pin in it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mark lines on the top here to cut out the contours of the palm swell and hopefully get it to more of a finished look. Here's where we're at with the handle. It's very, very rough. Pretty much everything's been done with a 36 grit up until this point. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start going through the grits and start smoothing this out, and hopefully within just a few belts have a ready to hand sand finished handle. Alright, so the last thing to do now is set the pin. So what I'll do is I will epoxy the pin in and get it cut to shape, and then we'll finish hand sanding and shaping the handle and it'll be ready to oil.